This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at the Lucas Moripe Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Magesi FC 0. My brother Ramos, how's it?
Eta is the last ending. Ayoba Ngobo 2010. Yeah, we say Sharp Eye. Eitada.
How do you feel about the game today?
Again, Sundowns is the next Super Sport United.
Yeah.
Sundowns is the next Super Sport United. Mark my word. Super Sport efaile. Sundowns ya hamba. Dirile mmereko le feditse. Etwa Club World Cup e feditse ne. Mark my word, Sundowns ya tsamaya, then ya relegation. Baroka is waiting for them. Melfort is waiting for them. Kasrik is waiting for them, and Cape Town City is waiting for them.
Are you talking about Sundowns or Magesi?
I'm talking about Sundowns.
But Sundowns is left
and whether rebetile ayar beta yatsama Super Sport dirile so efete mmereko wa yona. Team tsa Pitori dia hamba.
Dia kae?
Motsepe is calling their name. Motsepe is calling their name.
Yeah.
Super Sport bana meje di chopper. Limpopo Reshandesh, le ba re dirile di chopper ba rana re ka se fofe.
Yeah.
Wa fufile mudi rile di cho.
Modi dirile di chopper la ba thoka ke.
Whether it's a 4 knot or 5 knot,
it doesn't matter.
Gone. Ramos the C from MMR Sportwear and Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye. Keep on following us. MMR to the world.
Yes.
Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye to the world.
Yes.
The best broadcast in South Africa. Chisa, I'm Ramos the C. Chisa.
For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.